Implants have changed the world of dentistry by offering a long-lasting solution to missing teeth. Although they're typically used for replacing a single tooth, many are wondering whether dental implants could also be used to replace many missing teeth. In this short video, we'll explore the benefits and drawbacks of dental implants to replace many missing teeth. Advantages of dental implants for multiple missing teeth. 1. Stability. Implants for dental purposes are known for their durability and stability. If multiple implants are utilized for replacement of missing teeth, they are a solid base for dental bridges or dentures. The stability of the implants allows easy chewing and talking without anxiety of the prosthetic shifting or shifting. 2. Implants for aesthetics are made to appear and feel just like natural teeth. If multiple implants are utilized, the implants can be shaped to fit the size, shape, and shade of the adjacent teeth. The result is a smooth and natural-looking smile, which increases confidence and self-confidence. 3. Bone preservation. If teeth go absent, jawbones can begin to weaken because of a lack of stimulation. Implants mimic the functions of the natural tooth root through stimulating jawbones that helps maintain bone density and stops further loss of bone. This is particularly important in the case of replacing missing teeth in order to preserve the integrity and structure of jawbone. 4. Implants last a long time. They are made to last for a lifetime when properly maintained and cared for. Although traditional bridges for teeth and dentures might require replacement at intervals of 5 to 10 years, dental implants provide a long-lasting solution to missing teeth. They eliminate the requirement to replace them frequently and decreases the long-term cost of dental prosthetics. Disadvantages of dental implants for multiple missing teeth. 1. Cost. The price of dental implants could be more expensive than traditional dental bridges and dentures. If multiple implants are needed to repair a number of missing teeth, the total price can quickly increase. But it's crucial to think about the longer-term advantages of dental implants in regards to durability and long-term longevity. 2. Implants surgically placed require surgery to insert the implant into the jawbone. Although this procedure is secure and not invasive, however, certain patients might be afflicted with swelling or discomfort during the process of healing. In addition, patients with certain dental issues or oral health problems might not be suitable candidates for surgery on the dental implant. 3. It is a lengthy process. Procedure of obtaining dental implants to replace multiple missing teeth could take a few months to finish. The initial consultation, the implant surgical placement, healing, as well as the attachment to teeth prosthetics. Although the outcomes are well worthy of the wait, certain patients might prefer a faster replacement of missing teeth. Dental implants are a feasible alternative to replace multiple missing teeth because of their durability, aesthetics, as well as bone preservation and long-term durability. Although there are some drawbacks to be considered, including the cost, surgery procedure, and lengthy procedure, the advantages of dental implants usually surpass the disadvantages. You should consult with a dentist who is qualified to decide if implants are the best option to meet your particular dental requirements. Keep in mind that a healthy and functioning smile is worth every penny, as dental implants could aid in restoring your confidence as well as improve the quality of your life.